Here is information on a winter weather advisory for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Ozaukee, Sheboygan, and Washington. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 2 and 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles an hour. Where? Portions of east central, south central, and southeast Wisconsin. When? From 9 p.m. Sunday to noon Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here is a statement regarding a wind advisory for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Sheboygan, Walworth, Washington, and Waukesha. What? Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. A few gusts to 55 miles an hour may occur along the Lake Michigan shoreline. Where? Portions of east central, south central, and southeast Wisconsin. When? From 6 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution